Everybody listening, you probably know already what is happening. The price of Bitcoin, crypto, grayscale. Wow. Just like that, fodders and shorts got wrecked. Yes, the price of Bitcoin exploded 8% today, about over $2,000 in the price of Bitcoin. Would the price go down? Chances are manipulation. Welcome to crypto, right? These are great opportunities for people to make money, but I'm here to tell you what really occurred and how would that impact you and me, because it all has to do with becoming a spot ETF. Here's the deal. We know not only Grayscale, but BlackRock and many other different entities, institutions want a Bitcoin ETF. Spot, right? That's what they're looking for. But the SEC is in the approval process. Obviously the SEC is not making it easier, right? They want to FUD, they want to keep us down, suppress Bitcoin, push us down. But this win with Grayscale, according to a lot of news outlets, is massive. It's huge. Do not pay attention to the shorts right now, to the Bitcoin going down. That's going to happen. It's all manipulation. They're making money. People are cashing out right now. They're not going to let Bitcoin go to 30,000 so easily today. But it's awesome that the price on the band full of Bitcoin 25,000, but finally, boom! And this is what's going on. Let me tell you the full story, everybody. Cheers to all of you guys. Honestly, this is precisely when I say waiting for a catalyst like this, DCAing, putting your head down and just going back to the basics pays off. About 8% return. Guys, there's a lot of millionaires buying Bitcoin only, the maximalists. They're getting a huge comeback. Now, 2 hours, this is the hour chart. 2 hours where sellers are trying to beat the bulls. 2 hours, everybody. So the first one, massive. The third one, massive. Will the, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4? Will the fifth candlestick be another massive one? I don't know. I'm not a genie. I don't have a crystal ball on me, but I'm only speculating. Like, dude, it looks really bullish. If we get another green candle, guys, we can hit to the $29,000 and go back to where we belong. Now, here it is. Just in, right? Earlier today, Bloomberg breaks down how the grayscale win against the SEC means Bitcoin and spot Bitcoin ETFs. It's massive. So obviously, guys, if you're holding Bitcoin or crypto today, you're really, really happy. Now, Miles put it this way: Grayscale just officially won their lawsuit against the SEC, allowing them to convert their futures Bitcoin ETF into spot ETF. From my sources, it hasn't happened yet, but it's coming to a closer deal. The odds of other Bitcoin spot ETFs approvals have now also increased. This changes everything. Time to pay attention again, right? And there's obviously a lot of different comments here. It is not a done deal. However, I do agree, guys, that if Grayscale, that in a way comes closer to the big asset managers, but it cannot even come closer to BlackRock. Guess what's going to happen, guys? Guess what's going to happen, my eyes? There you go. When BlackRock SEC deal gets done, when BlackRock says, welcome to the Bitcoin spot ETF, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Like we're probably gonna have the next rally to $35,000. I am not kidding you. And I am not trying to say just because I want the price of Bitcoin to rally. It's just facts. If Grayscale is sending 2,000 in the price of Bitcoin, about 8%, BlackRock, that has more brand recognition, is probably going to do a 15% at least, in my personal opinion. Tell me in the comments, guys, if you believe it's going to happen, because based on what we're seeing today, every day it's becoming more true. Now, Elon Musk, as always, doesn't want to get noticed today. Breaking: Elon Musk ex Twitter obtains license for Bitcoin and crypto services to store, transfer, and exchange digital assets on behalf of its users. So, more adoption, more growth from great companies. And of course, we know Elon Musk is really bullish in Dogecoin and therefore some types of crypto. Just great. That is going to change in the next 5 hours. So it's going to probably say fear to normal, neutral, or even greed. Guys, the Bitcoin rainbow chart looks like this. Price of Bitcoin, and we are basically holding in the buy zone. And we're giving you a lot of time to think about it and to DCA right here because it's not basically a fire sale. But I mean, guys, we're still down compared to where we have to. So next one is accumulate. I want to get in touch the buy zone than in the accumulate or still cheap. Because once the bull market passing, obviously the halving of 2024, you're probably gonna see us in the is this a bubble and FOMO intensifies. It's really difficult to say maximum bubble territory, right? Since last time we didn't get to that, but I'm pretty sure that we will be dreaming into going back to these places once the bull market arises. Now, here it comes. 1.11 trillion. Obviously, the price rising like massively. It's just unstoppable right now. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin Cash, Stacks, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin, of course, another one's dominating the scene. So the last 27 days, some of the more classic ones are rallying. Not the major altcoins. Right now is Bitcoin. Even I want to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. There it is. Bitcoin dominance he got to 50. He got to 50%. So obviously, what's happening right now, everybody, for Bitcoin, it's good because it helps the Bitcoin dominance and it helps start the Bitcoin season. That after the Bitcoin season, we have the altcoin season. It just makes perfect sense. We've been telling you guys for a while, showing you the charts, how Bitcoin growth, it's gonna happen eventually. Nothing's stop it. So, fifth hour, is the price of Bitcoin gonna go down or continue going up? Whatever happens, be ready, of course, to make some profits. People are realizing some profits right now, and there's nothing wrong with that. But this is really good, and I'm really, really happy for it. Obviously, Grayscale right now, you can take a look at all of this information. Watch your guru breaking news. It's here. Today was announced that Grayscale prevailed in its suit against the SEC, said by Grayscale right here. So just in, the DC Circuit ruled 3-0 in favor of Grayscale in the Bitcoin ETF, a momentous step forward for all who have been advocating for Bitcoin exposure through the added protections of the ETF wrapper. Great stuff. Great stuff. Awesome. Honestly. This is amazing. And, well, guys, matter of time. Do not relinquish Bitcoin, crypto, and your favorite altcoins, the ones that are good and have meaning for the community. We're going to make it. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thank you for watching. Being updated with massive news today. Enjoy. Peace.